What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm doing what should I call this? Like a new product combo wash and go. I'm pretty sure you've seen a lot on Kimberly Sherrell's channel that she does a lot of wash and goes. I was on Instagram, and I'm gonna like insert the clip somewhere on the screen, but I was on Instagram and I saw this stylist use these two products, which it's gonna be, or you know what, I'll reveal it when the time comes. But I saw a stylist use two products on her client's hair, and I thought it looked really good and defined and shiny and just like everything I want my hair to look like. Mind you, the person that you're going to see in the video, we do have two different hair textures. I still wanted to try these two products out to see how they work for me. So yeah, to start, I'm going to show y'all like my whole wash day in this video. I just feel like might as well, right? So for starters, I'm going to pre-poo my hair, and I pre-poo with my Pattern intensive conditioner for tight textures, and it looks like this. I'll show you. And then I'm going to also use some olive oil with that and some warm water. That's my pre-poo that I do. I finger detangle first, and then I go in with my Y2 comb, and then I go in with my little knockoff tangle teaser. Once my pre-pooing is done, I'm going to shampoo with my Shea Moisture Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Shampoo, which is, this one is my favorite shampoo ever. After that, I don't condition. I just go straight into my deep conditioner, and I'm going to deep condition with the Mielle Organics Rosemary Mint Strengthen Hair Mask infused with biotin. And it looks like this. So yeah, and this is going to be on my head for like about 30 minutes. And yeah, once that whole process is done, then I'm going to come back on here and show you guys the products that I'm using for the wash and go. So stay tuned for that. So yeah, like I said, to begin, I'm going to pre-poo. I'm just going to go ahead and put my towel on me right now before things get out of hand. Okay, so I sectioned my hair has been in this updo for a while, so I'm gonna take this down first. Okay, so now that that's done, I'm going to attempt to section my hair into 4 sections. Well, the back is kind of already still sectioned. Okay, so now that I have my 4 sections, I'm going to begin to pre-poo. I'm going to start with this front section to show you guys how I pre-poo exactly. So I start by just spraying my whole head with the warm water. And I go ahead and just rub that all in. My dog just belched. Next thing I do, I'm going to take some olive oil, put that in it. Make sure I get those ends, because when you're detangling, the ends can be really hard to comb out. But this front section seems like it's not so bad today. Go in with some more water. And I really try to like get the hair like really wet this time around, because I'm going to be going in with my conditioner. You know when you have like conditioner on dry hair and then it all just feels like way too thick to comb out? So I like to use extra water before I apply the conditioner. I'm just going to take about that much on my hand, rub it in, and move this onto my hair. I love to pre-poo because it just releases all of those tangles before I go in and use a product like shampoo, which can be stripping on the hair. I mean, my particular shampoo that I have right now is not stripping on the hair, but I don't know, pre-pooing just really just gets all of those tangles out, gets rid of that shed hair. So when you are washing your hair, you're not just like getting extra tangles, you know, because we have that shed hair on top of like tangles that's already there. It's just a mess. And I truly believe that pre-pooing and like detangling my hair before washing it is like one of the reasons my hair has been growing over the past few months. So next I'm just taking my wide tooth comb to get out some smaller tangles. And then I'm gonna go in with my little knockoff tangle teaser and get even smaller tangles. And I just repeat that throughout all 4 sections. And that's just basically how I pre-poo. Okay, y'all, so I'm back. I rinsed out the deep conditioner out of my hair. My hair looks so shiny and good and just, whew, yeah. So it's time to start my my combo. So the combo for today is gonna be the almond and avocado curl enhancing mousse by Design Essentials. And with that, I'm gonna use, of course, my Wetline Extreme Gel. Wetline Extreme Gel? Yeah, my Wetline Extreme Gel. And so these two, this is what the combo is. So I'm hoping that it's going to come out really good. For my moisturizer or leave-in, I'm going to be using the Miel Avocado Milk avocado moisturizing hair milk. I did do a test to see if they all blend together, and they do, so thank God. So yeah, I'm just going to be taking my hair section by section and just applying the product. And I do have warm water in this spray bottle, so let's get into it. Okay, so I'm back from applying the product in my hair, and I really think that this is going to turn out to be a really, really good wash and go. Like, the definition that I'm seeing already is just letting me know that might be a little bit promising. I'm gonna let my hair dry. I'm not gonna blow dry it because that's just not what I typically do. So most likely I'll come back tomorrow. It should be fully dry tomorrow, and yeah, stretch it and see how it looks. I'm just hoping that there is gonna be some shine to it. Like, I already know that it's gonna be defined because I mean it just looks really defined already, but yeah, I'm just really hoping it'll give me some shine. One thing I did notice is that my curls aren't really shrinking as much as they used to. Like, they're staying really elongated, and I'm guessing that's from the mousse because I've used wetline with other things and it'll still shrink up like normal. Another thing is that I'm not seeing a whole lot of frizz at my roots like I normally do. So I'm excited, and I'll show you guys what it looks like when it's all dry. Okay, what's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. So it is the next day. Like I said, my hair is completely dry. My roots maybe are a little bit puffy. We'll see. But I'm about to stretch my hair. In the video, I saw that she like took sections, spread out like the, you know, thicker pieces, and then went ahead and stretched it. So that's what I'm going to be doing to my hair. So yeah, let's just get into stretching it, and then I'll come back once it's all done. Okay, so I'm back with the voiceover and you're gonna find out why soon. But overall, I really enjoyed the wash and go. I feel like the only thing that was missing, it could have been a tad bit more moisturizing and could have had a bit more shine to it. But the only thing I can say is that it just left my roots kind of fluffy. That's it. It wasn't anything like just crazy undefined, but it just lacked in definition at the roots. However, my ends were like super defined. And another thing I like about this wash and go is that it wasn't crunchy. There was like a soft hold to it. I didn't have to do any crazy scrunching to get any of the crunch out, and it gave me like really full first day hair. So I really enjoy these two products together. I do recommend that you guys use it if you're interested, and thank you for watching this video. I hope to see you in my next one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye. Jennifer. Oh. Girl, look how cute. Look how cute they wrapped them. Oh, you video.